Hi, third graders. Today we are going to be creating a radial pattern. And how we are going to start is you will have a piece of black paper, a large piece, that is kind of roughly cut out. But in the middle, you will see that I have traced a big white circle. The first thing you should do is cut out that circle. Following the cutout, we are going to be creating 8 sections on our circle by folding. Please fold your paper in half and fold. Then open it up and fold it in half the other way so that you will have made a plus sign. Plus. Now we are going to rotate our paper to fold it this way. And last time, folding it this way. You will have, by the end, folded your paper 4 times to create 8 mini triangles on the inside of your circle. Again, you are creating 8, count them, same size triangles by folding your paper 4 times only. The first one is to create the plus sign, and then the second 2 are to create the X. Once you complete your folding, you will have very clear creases in your paper. No need to outline them, but I have outlined them with pencil so that you can see them better in this video. But you will be able to see them all by yourself at your table. The next thing is you will take a pencil and create very simple line patterns along one triangle or pizza slice on your circle. Then your job is to continue that pattern by repeating it in all the other triangles. We are creating a radial repeating pattern. Radial means circular. So we are repeating our pattern as we go, trying to copy it from that other triangle, getting it as close to a copy as we can. You will do this around the entirety of all 8 slices of your pizza. So your pattern will repeat and be the same thing in each triangle. So the first triangle pizza slice that you create is going to determine what all the other triangles look like. Do not do something different in this triangle that you did in this triangle. Must be the same. Following this step, you are going to take glue and trace over your lines very carefully. We are not tracing over the spoke lines of our pizza or the cut lines. We are just tracing your patterns. Make sure to start with the piece that is furthest away from you. That way you do not get glue on your hands. Notice how important it is to make your patterns large. Do not do little tiny detailed patterns because it will be very hard to trace with glue. We are putting glue down onto our circle pattern because next week we are going to color it with soft pastels, and the glue will act as a little barrier between the different colors that we choose. It will dry clear, and these lines will end up being black around the colors that we choose. So again, boys and girls, please do not choose very detailed patterns, but simple lines and shapes work the best. All right, boys and girls, please, please, please do not forget to write your name, class, and number on the back before you begin gluing, because after you start gluing, you will not be able to flip your paper over. Once we are done with this part of today, you can again work on your patterns for your collaborative puzzle piece that we have been working on previously. So once this gets put on the drying rack, I will have set out your previous project's papers for you to continue on with your black markers.